Why am I wearing this ridiculous outfit? Well, it's because over the last couple of weeks, I've watched The Greatest Showman and I was inspired by that first song, A Million Dreams, and it made me want to help business owners achieve their dreams more than ever. Watch the rest of this video to find out what's prompted me to put on a stupid outfit. Okay, well maybe enough of that, you probably get the point. But what is it about that film that inspired me so much and prompted me to make this video? Well, if you listen to the lyrics of that first song in that film, it talks about a million dreams is all it's going to take. It talks about people lying in bed with loads of different ideas, and it just got me thinking about business owners. Because isn't that what we do? We've all got this dream, this vision, this goal for what it is we think running a business is going to do for our lives and the difference it's going to make and the things it's going to make possible for us. The problem is way too many of us never achieve those goals and those dreams because life gets in the way. The phone rings, customers want us, suppliers want us, cash flow weighs us down. We can't get the sort of work we want. We can't get enough of the sort of work we want. And before we know it, instead of having a million dreams about what the future we want to create, we're having nightmares about the future and the business that we're living in. If that sounds like you, there is a solution. Get onto my website, adviceforbusiness.com, have a look at the Business MOT questionnaire. It'll take you about 15 minutes to complete, and it's the first and single most important step you're ever going to make in making a million dreams come true for your business. It will help you understand exactly where your business is right now. It'll help you reaffirm those dreams and then goals that you had in the first place. And then it will give you the structure in order to start building and planning a business that will give you everything you want from your life. So that's Gary Maskell, Advice for Business. I'm terrible at fancy dress, but I'm brilliant at growing businesses.